Good morning and welcome to Module 2. We're going to be talking about understanding financial statements, taxes, and cash flows. This is going to be one of those weeks where we're going to actually do a lot of different things and look at a lot of different items. And it's very, very critical that you understand each part of this week. Financial statements are definitely the crux of understanding exactly kind of how businesses are laid out and how businesses are doing. If you understand financial statements, then it's going to be a great thing to actually move forward and really understand kind of more about business itself. We have interactive activity this week, which will have web pages on this. So I'm just clicking on that real quick to show the interactive. So we can actually have questions on this where you can actually go in there and answer the questions on this. That's what the interactive assignment is there. Let's see. There's a web page for understanding financial statements as well. This is kind of what we want to hit on and we'll understand each thing this week. So we're all about trying to hit these different goals and really try to understand financial statements a lot better. Let's see. And we also have a discussion board post that's due this week. And those are definitely going to be due at different times. It's one of those things where I'll definitely will respond to your post as well, and we'll go through there. And there's also an assignment due. So it's very, very important that you understand these concepts. If you guys have any questions about any of this, please let me know. I'm definitely going to post some additional YouTube videos to really help you understand these concepts a little deeper. But if you need anything, let me know. I'm here to help you out.